Don't obsess over posture and form. The Buddha did actually say to sit, cross your legs, and hold your body erect. This is very clear when he explains in detail how to do breath meditation. But this is not the only way to meditate. It's not appropriate in all circumstances. And focusing on form is bad if it interferes with the substance of meditation. I spent years meditating without achieving very much. It did make me feel relaxed, but it didn't really do anything magical for me. Part of the reason was because I was focused too much on my posture. I had a lot of tension in my back, and trying to sit very upright really didn't help the situation. It wasn't until I decided to lean forward to relieve that tension that I finally began to experience the power of meditation. My body finally felt relaxed enough that I was able to sink into the experience. Some people are so focused on posture that they behave like soldiers trying to stay at attention to be inspected. This isn't appropriate. You want to have a state of relaxed attention. The Buddha spent years tormenting his body because he thought it might help him advance spiritually. He later discovered what is called the middle way. The middle here refers to the balancing point between self-torment or self-mortification and self-indulgence. If you're struggling too much with posture, then you may be just tormenting your body unnecessarily. If you have medical issues with your knee, for example, or if you spent your entire life sitting in chairs, then it may not be realistic for your body to adapt to the cross-legged position that's so common in Asian meditation techniques. And I want to stress here that we're talking about techniques. It's not about the overall strategy or the overall path of Buddhism. These are just techniques of meditation. I encourage you to make a concerted effort to try the traditional meditation posture, the posture with your legs crossed and your body erect. Don't give up easily. There's something to be said about perseverance. There are advantages to this specific technique. One of them is that it'll be easier to fit in with others at meditation events. Other advantages include smooth breathing, the ability to meditate for a long time, and the ability to stay awake. But if your physical suffering is too much, I suggest trying other approaches such as sitting in a chair or even lying down. Remember that Buddhism and meditation are really just a means to an end. The Buddha describes his path as an unglamorous raft, designed to get you from where you are to ultimate happiness. This raft isn't really perfect, but it's functional. It will get you from one shore to another. Once you're there, you can throw it away. My point is that the substance matters more than the form. Your barometer of progress isn't how strictly you adhere to your posture. It's how you are transforming yourself emotionally. Do you feel better when you meditate? Do you feel relaxed? Are you experiencing rapture? Are you feeling more emotionally stable in your day-to-day life? Do things no longer upset you? These transformations matter much, much more than the structural process you use to achieve them.